how to withdraw your Ducks token to your Ducks app, and also the Ducks airdrop criteria. So we're going to be doing that very quick and fast. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your farming pool. So when you come to your farming pool, you actually scroll down to see your allocation. You see the amount that have been allocated to you, then the amount you actually stake in this. So then you click on view. This is our view here. So when you click on view, you're going to see the amount. Then here you will see claim here. So I've actually done my own. That's why it's showing view in Ducks mini app. So you're going to click on claim. Then it will redirect you to your Ducks mini app. And the snapshot for Ducks is 18th of this month. So when you click on play now, so you discover that your balance has actually increased in your Ducks app. So here I have like, I think about 30,000 Ducks before, and from here you can see it's around 300,000 plus. Let me show us. Let's come to home. So you can see from home here, you see your balance. Can you see now? So it has been added to a Ducks mini app. So what you've actually gotten is Ducks points, not the actual token. Ducks points. You get that? Then here you see your level. So then a number of eggs you've been able to gather. So now you need to understand this. The points, the Ducks point we've gotten is an added advantage for each and everyone that joined Tomato. So now that if everything have been integrated into your Ducks account, is another advantage for you. The snapshot is taking place on the 19th, 18th of this month. So let me show you the airdrop criteria so that you understand better what I'm saying. So let's go to Ducks Telegram channel to see the criteria they posted. So here is what they say. They say early Ducks get worms, but loyal Ducks get the reward. So they said airdrop a snapshot to consider each player's engagement with the project, including start deposit, that's number 1, eggs, number 2, invite, that's referral, number 3, NFT, number 4, then Ducks point, number 5. 5 basic criteria. The one we've gotten that you have advantage on is what? The Ducks points. So 5 different criteria. Now we've given another advantage of points. Then what should you do now that for you to actually maximize your benefits in Ducks? What you need to do is to come to your Ducks. Then you can see here star, you can deposit more stars. Then under tenant and testnet, you can see there are NFTs. You can see the number of NFTs I've been able to gather. That's 13 out of 24. So then you gather more NFT. And how can you gather more NFT? If you are here to start, you can come here, you deposit star, you can deposit as low as 10 stars to get your 5 first free NFT. You get that. So then when you deposit, then you come here, this place will be highlighted, the number of NFT remaining that you've been able to, that you can mine will be here. Then you first of all get your first NFT. You get that. Then here, another step is invite friends to get more Ducks NFT. So if you refer 5 friends, you successfully get 1 NFT. So 5 friends, 1 NFT. You get that. So that is just a little I think I can tell you from this app. Then you can come here and complete your tax. You can see different tax here. So then here start deposit. So deposit starts as you wish. Just interact with the app and make sure you are getting engaged on the app. You get that. So do well to subscribe to the channel, like a video, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel, because we don't only teach you about airdrop, we teach you how to trade, now to actually make money online. Link in the description of this video.